נתחיל עכשיו את המושב הרשמי של הרצאת האורח של פרופסור כריסטוף מרקשיס. אני מבקש לקרוא אוקיי, אני מתחיל בעברית. I'm moving to English for the sake of our guest of honor, Professor Markschies, who will give a formal lecture at the Academy. I'm inviting Professor David Harel, the president of the Academy, to say a few things to greet our guest.
Good afternoon, good evening, everyone. For close to 3 years, I've delivered, mostly here, scores of openings for all kinds of Academy events. Some have been longer, some have been shorter. This one will be the absolute shortest. In fact, it could have consisted of one simple word only: thanks. I will, however, elaborate just a tiny bit. You, dear Christoph, are quite simply the best friend the Israel Academy of Sciences and Humanities could have ever hoped for, especially in these quite terrible times. Thank you for being so deeply involved in what we are going through. Thank you for being so empathetic, sensitive, and understanding. Thank you for your wisdom and sound advice on so many aspects of the situation. Thank you for leading the Berlin-Brandenburg Academy into being such a true partner to us and in so many ways. And thank you for coming to Israel once again and agreeing to share with us your insights into the history of religions. Finally, on a personal note, thank you for your genuine friendship. I truly cherish it.